Hey pals, what's happening? If all of you want to cultivate a large juicy onion like this from seed in just one season, then it is the right time to plant those seeds and watch them grow. And this needs to be done by the end of February, at the latest by March 5th. In order for the seedlings to have enough time to grow, because the seedlings need at least 2 months before they can be planted in open ground, we are going to require a container. The primary aspect is that it should have a depth of at least 5 centimeters. Let's distribute approximately 4 centimeters of soil evenly. Then we will need to take these paper towels, place them on the ground, and lightly moisten them with water to ensure proper hydration. I reckon y'all might be wondering why in tarnation we need towels for planting them seeds. Let me explain it to you right now. Hey, check it out, this here's some onion seeds. As you can see, it's black. And if I were to sow in black soil, you wouldn't be able to see where I've already put the seed and where it's still missing. And the seeds are really tiny, and they easily sink into the fluffy soil. So they'll be lying on a paper towel. The towel still serves as a moisture-absorbing extra layer for us. It's always going to be humid here. We take it, we put it down on the ground surface. The distance between the seeds should be about half a centimeter, and if the seeds are old, you can sow them more often because the similarity of old seeds is weak. We ensure that the distance between the rows is approximately 3 centimeters. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, the top onion variety for cultivation in a single season is Exhibition. Now, in order to ensure proper growth, we need to carefully sprinkle the seeds evenly across the designated area. You need to sprinkle with a layer of about 1 centimeter, no more. And now we water it again. And we put this container in a warm, dark place. The temperature should be around 25 degrees. On the 3rd day, the onion is already sprouting. If the temperature drops, it'll likely be around the 5th day, but it shouldn't go below 18 degrees. Then, when the stairs materialize, you will need to place them beneath the lamps. Alternatively, you can cultivate onions on the windowsill. She ain't afraid of the cold air coming through the window, and then, when the seedlings grow to about 15-20 centimeters, you'll need to trim them. And I'll tell you about that in the next video. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new and useful videos. I wish you a successful day and see you in the new videos. See you later.